Hello, MAT students, and welcome to part one for week 5. Hopefully you've waited to go through this. I'm posting this on Wednesday morning, but if not, hopefully the slides were made sense enough. Today in this part, I just want to talk about a four corners activity idea as an introduction idea, something that usually you see in younger grades, but does work as well from what I've seen in adolescent, especially in middle school. Just a way to get students up and moving around if they need a break. I like this from Willy Wonka. Tell me more about how you did your homework, but your printer broke. um, Love that little meme. Hear that all the time. So four corners. If you guys have never heard about four corners, the idea is that you separate the room into four different spots. If you don't have corners, that's okay. You can just tape up numbers. I actually have little pre-done just pieces of construction paper that I just colored in numbers. And if I do this in person in a class, I just tape them up on the different parts of the room. You ask a question either on the screen or just out loud. Tell them the answer choices. You could play instead of four corners, you could do three corners. You could do two sides, this or that, would you rather kind of a thing. And then the students quietly, as they're standing, they quietly get up and they move to their answer choice, and then you discuss it. So you can use this as just a general get to know you thing. You can use this as a review activity, and you can use it as an introduction activity to get them thinking, to see what they already know, what they remembered from yesterday, or what they already know about today's topic. Another alternative is to use cards and to give everyone a card. And if they have a certain number of card, you tell them that they're a fibber. They are someone who's going to do the wrong answer, so that not everyone just goes with the crowd. So that's one way you can sometimes shake things up. So for instance, here's an example. I might put this up on the screen and say objectives should be specific and what does the M stand for? Is number 1 massive, number 2 minuscule, number 3 measurable, or number 4 meaty? So this is very similar to like what you might play in Kahoot or a Book It type game, but instead of doing it on the computer, the students are actually physically getting up and moving to the corner that they think is the correct answer. So if you do have it on screen, it's kind of important to try and match the orientation of the screen to the number orientation in the room. Of course, the answer for this one, hopefully it's open, and of course, is measurable, measurable objectives. For discussion question 1 for this week, it's how is case study number 2 going? Case study number 1, I'm in the process of grading. I think I've graded some of them, given some feedback, but you should be working on case study number 2, which is focused on the group of students who disrupt class and won't listen. So let me know if you have questions.